Hi bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we are going to be doing another quick last minute Halloween DIY project. Woo! Okay, so what am I doing today on this video? Right now, as we speak, this moment, right here. Okay, we're going to be decorating some of these Carnival Pops. I love buying these lollipops at the Dollar Tree when they have them. They're so much fun. They remind me of like back in the days when you used to go to the carnival. You guys know what I'm talking about. They're just really fun lollipops. They usually come in this gigantic size, and these are like the mini ones, okay? So I have a whole bunch of these that I purchased at the dollar store because I wanted to kind of like incorporate it in our Halloween party. So let me show you what I did with the ones that I am working on. Super duper easy, okay? Remember, last minute ideas. So this is not something that's gonna drive you insane. I simply just decorated these pops with washi tape, a little tiny tag, and a sticker, and that's it. But they turned out really cute. Let me show you here up close what they look like. So here, what I did was I just added some washi tape across the lollipop, little baggie that it comes with, and I just added a really tiny, very tiny tag with a bat sticker. This one has a purple bat, this one has a black bat. I think I have a silver. Yep, this one has a silver bat. And these are super duper easy to make, and literally it'll take you 5 minutes to make it, okay? If you have children, if you have babies, they can help you make this in no time and make it a, I don't know, family adventure, right? Okay, so I have here these lollipops that I want to finish. I did these already, and I'm going to finish these with you guys to show you how simple and easy this is. Pick whatever washi tape that is Halloween inspired, that catches your eye, that you want to use for this project, okay? I have these washi tapes that I had forever. I had these like forever. And they're basically just like a booklet of a whole bunch of different washi tapes that are Halloween inspired, okay? So that's what I use for this project. So all I did basically is take your washi tape, okay? And you're going to add this across your lollipop. You're going to also, these little tiny little tags, you can find them on Staples, you can find them at Michael's. You could even make your own little tags if you want. I happen to have a whole bunch of these because I found them while I was thrift shopping. So I'm going to use these and incorporate it in my project. But you could either create your own little mini tags, or you can always find these at Staples or Office Mat or anywhere that's like they sell a lot of like supplies for the office. You more or less will find these. Michael's has them also, and I believe the Dollar Tree also has them. I haven't seen the mini ones. I've seen like the regular size one, but you know, you can work with whatever you have, okay? So what I did was I basically took these little mini tag and I just basically hung it on the side of my lollipop, okay? Just like that. And then I just added the washi tape to kind of seal and kind of like hold my tag together. And that's basically all I did. Okay, can I put you closer to me? I don't want to make you dizzy, but I don't want you guys not to miss this also. Okay, am I in frame? Yes. All right, let me get this out of the way so we don't get confused with the ones that are already done. Okay. So here we go again. We're going to do these right here, okay? Pick the washi tape that you want. I'm going to go and pick, let me see here. I like this orange one. It says eek. Take your little small tag, hang it from the side of your little lollipop, and you're going to basically just add your washi tape right across it. Make sure that your washi tape is long enough that's going to go on the back of your lollipop, because that's what's going to help it stay together, okay? And you're basically going to get something, oops, something like this, okay? See them? You see these two? All right, let's do these two, and then we're basically almost done. Let's see, let's use Trick or Treat is too small. Let's use this Trick or Treat right here. Okay, again, right across your lollipop. This is going to go to the back. And in this little corner, you're going to hang your little tag, and you're going to put that right there. You're going to seal it, and you're going to bring this to the back, and boom, there you have it. Super duper easy, guys. Super duper easy. Now, if I had more time, I would obviously make my own little tags. But since I don't have any time, you have to work with what you have, right? There you go. And that's how you're going to create these adorable little lollipops. Now, you can do two things. If you know your co-workers and you know who you're going to be gifting this to, or you know who's going to be at the party, it will be a great idea if you can personalize this and put their names on it, okay? But because I work with a lot of people and, you know, there's a lot of us, I'm not going to really personalize anything, but I am going to put a little sticker on these little tiny tags to make it more cute and, you know, fun to look at. So, what I have here is the Dollar Tree bats that we are all obsessed about. These are the Dollar Tree stickers, and these are the little bats. I'm going to use the little, bless you, Papi. You're welcome, my love. I'm going to use the little mini bats, and I'm going to add them to the little tiny tags. Okay, and that's literally all I'm going to do. I'm not doing anything else. I'm going to use different colors, obviously. I have here the silver. I'm going to use for this one the purple. And if you don't have like little bat stickers, use whatever stickers you have. It doesn't have to be these, okay? I'm going to use the black one for this one. And then I'm going to go back and use a silver one for this one. Now, I have to be honest with you. My true intentions was to also add the same color or even like a different color of bat on the back of my little tags. But I found it that it kind of, it would look nice if you do it. Because if you can see here, I did one and it does look really fun and adorable. But I found it that it will be very hard for you to kind of like aim it to the same, you know, distance of each sticker. You're always going to be off by an inch or two because it's not always going to come out perfect and it's not going to always align perfectly. So I scratched off that idea, right? So I just used one bat instead of two. And the other thing that I basically did was I turned around my little tags, okay? And what I did was I went back and I used powder to pass over the edges of the little bats that are sticking out, because remember, that's sticker and that's still sticky, and so any lint or anything is gonna adhere to that drastically. So to avoid that, just get a little bit of powder in your finger, okay, and just rub it over your bath on the back, and that's going to help it from not being sticky anymore, okay? That's all you do. And I'm using regular baby powder, okay? From the dollar store. Where is it? Johnson & Johnson. This little tiny baby powder, okay? That's all you need to do. Just rub it, a little bit of the baby powder on the back of your bat. That's going to remove the sticky part, and you don't have to worry about your bat, you know, attaching to anything. And that's it. That's basically all you will do to create this fun, adorable looking cute lollipop, okay? Now, again, last minute project. So this is going to be perfect if you're gifting this as a, you could actually gift this to your friends and your coworker as a cute little Halloween treat, you know? Each one can get one of these. That's such a fun idea to do. I don't see, you know, why not? I think it's great. So that is how these adorable mini Carnival Pops turned out. I hope that this gives you some ideas and some inspiration. I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these fun little treats, and I hope that you guys you know, get some great ideas. I will see you on my next video, guys. Let's see, I'm up to like, I think this is like the second or the third video of the last minute Halloween DIY project. So we're gonna do a few more, and then we're gonna call it a day. All right, I love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.